Hello and welcome to How to Play 9-Ball Pool, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the billiards game 9-Ball Pool. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 players. The game is played on a billiards table with 9 numbered balls and a cue ball. One end of the table is known as the head, the other end of the table is known as the foot. The 9 numbered balls are racked in a diamond formation at the foot of the table. The 9 ball is placed into the middle of the diamond. The 1 ball is at the top of the diamond. The other balls are placed at random. The object of the game is to be the first player to pocket the 9 ball. When taking a shot, players must have the cue ball hit the lowest numbered ball on the table. The game is won by pocketing the numbered balls 1 through 8, then pocketing the 9 ball, or a player can hit a combo shot where the lowest numbered ball hits the 9 ball into a pocket to win the game. The game begins with a break. A break is the first shot with the cue ball to the setup racked balls. The cue ball is placed at the head of the table for the break. If any numbered balls go into a pocket, the player that broke will take another shot. If not, the opponent will make a shot. The breaking player made the 2 and 6 ball on the break and will take another shot. The 1 ball is the lowest ball on the table and must be hit by the cue ball first. This player hits the 1 ball first with the cue ball but fails to make a ball. It is now the opponent's turn to take a shot. Players will continue to take shots, switching turns every time a numbered ball is not pocketed on a shot. The opponent missed the shot and play returns to the player that broke. The player makes the 1 ball and gets to take another shot. The 2 ball was pocketed on the break, so the next lowest numbered ball is the 3 ball. The first player to pocket the 9 ball wins the game. This can be done by pocketing the 9 ball after the numbered balls 1 through 8 have been pocketed, or a player can hit a combo shot where the lowest numbered ball hits the 9 ball into a pocket. If a player makes an illegal shot, it is known as a foul. Some of the most common fouls include pocketing the cue ball, known as a scratch, hitting the cue ball off the table, and failing to hit the lowest numbered ball first. Here, the cue ball is pocketed for a foul. After a foul, the opponent will get to place the cue ball anywhere on the table, then take their shot. This is known as ball in hand. The edges of the pool table are known as the rails. At least 4 numbered balls must hit a rail in order for a break to be legal. If the break is not legal, re-rack the numbered balls for a new break. That wraps up how to play 9-ball pool. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.